struggled with this year on the cars was fuel pumps. And on the practice car, we lost a fuel pump in April, and don't know why. It was less than 2 years old, and it just shut off and stopped working. The car wouldn't run. In August in St. Louis, we had both fuel pumps fail by shedding their internal components and then shooting them into the engine, wiping out our fuel injectors and causing us a bunch of headaches. The commonality between both the practice car and the competition car was that they used the same brand of fuel pumps. So we got rid of that, and the competition car after St. Louis, we actually converted to Fuel Lab's brushless twin pumps. And the key differences in my mind between the brushless systems and the traditional fuel pumps are they draw less electrical current, they're smaller in size, and they give you a lot better control of your fuel system than a traditional pump. So as you can see, they're right here. We'd have to pop that cover off to be able to see both of those pumps inside our surge tank. But what these two things that are sitting right there are, they're the controllers that allow us to actually run the pumps. So Fuel Lab allows you to do 3 different combinations of things. One, you can run their pumps off the standalone fuel system and have them run in 3 different stages to optimize your fuel delivery to your engine. Essentially, in layman's terms, which I'm all about, you don't need the fuel pump to run full bore all the time. It only needs to run a certain amount depending on where you are in the RPMs to deliver the fuel that you need. And what that does is it, again, creates less load on your electrical system, which makes your car operate more efficiently. So you can either run it through a standalone, you can use their system to control their 3 different stages that the pump can run at, or you can use their controllers that you see in my car paired with your factory ECU, which is what we're using this year, to just make them run all the time. So I love the flexibility that Fuel Lab offers you, but the best thing is we don't have fuel pump issues anymore. So again, really important if you're trying to do well in competition, and if your car doesn't work, it's really hard to do well. So that's just a little bit about Fuel Lab. Great company that helped us a lot at St. Louis. Hopefully that little bit of information kind of gave you some of the overviews of what the differences are between brushless fuel pumps and traditional fuel pumps as you're thinking about what you want to run for your car. I love seeing people get out there and not have to worry about if their car is going to work. And so, you know, we learned some hard lessons this year, but hopefully you won't have to in the future. So until next time, please like and subscribe.